guys, welcome to my kitchen. You guys love when I get high and do my makeup, but so many people have been requesting that I get high and cook for you guys. And something I feel like a lot of people don't know about me is I fucking love cooking. I love cooking, I love food. As you tell, tonight we're gonna be making literally my fucking best recipe to date, bitch, and it's chicken Alfredo. I know it seems so basic, but literally I've perfected the recipe. And I want to share it with you guys. So Trevor is here with me, a little special guest. Oh. We're literally both starving. I'm actually a little bit hangry.
And
guys, I also just did my makeup.
Ooh, right? Ooh, help me in the background.
Okay, first things first, obviously I have to get hard.
Yeah. Do you just want me to be like a grab and go type of deal?
You're my sous chef.
Sous chef?
Yeah.
What is that?
Well first we need all of the ingredients, which
Yep.
you gotta get the noodles. Fettuccine. Fettuccine mozzarella. I need a pot, a big pot.
Oh,
Very first step of making any fucking pasta dish, well maybe not any, but most pasta dishes, literally do your water first, okay? Fill this shit up.
She cooks every single night, every single meal. I just get to experience it.
And I be making some like
Fire
gourmet
meal.
water.
Water? Water? Dude, insert the fucking...
Water. First things first, when you're making pasta, dude, just trust me on this. Just fucking trust me on this. Most people salt the water, but they're like, no, bitch don't. Fucking salt it until this bitch tastes like the goddamn sea. Sodium might be high, but.
But your belly gonna be full.
Next,
It's a chicken
cutting board. I make Trevor do this part because the fucking chicken gives me the ick, but mallet the shit out of that. Get one of these kitchen hammers. This is where you turn into fucking Thor, okay?
Literally.
There we go.
Hey, they say I look like a Hemsworth brother. When you cook down a dish, it's squirting on my legs, bro.
Now that your chicken looks like this, hear me out. Before you season your chicken, you want to preheat your pan. So olive oil, baby, like enough to like very lightly coat the bottom of your pan. Honestly, fucking Cajun, any Cajun spice,
Amazing.
but specifically blackened Cajun spice. This is the most important part. You want to season this bitch like extra good, extra good. Let me all judge my fucking seasoning choices. But black pepper, this is Italian seasoning. The bitch loves garlic, so we're doing extra garlic. Oh, hello. Hakuna titties. Hell yeah. What's this? Smoky Cajun, bitch. That's what I want. Damn, the oil's fucking hot. We gotta work quick. Season both sides of your chicken. For the love of baby Jesus. Now when your oil is hot, mine's fucking really hot, you're gonna put these in there and don't touch them. Yeah. Set a timer for like 6 minutes. Usually 6 minutes is like the sweet spot. That smells so fucking good. What I'm trying to say. Wow. The water's boiling. See that?
Oh, what? That's supposed to be enough for 2 people?
That's what I'm saying. After 7 minutes or however fucking long, flip this shit. So bloated. Like, this is, for real, it'd be like that here. See that? See that?
Damn.
See what I'm talking about? Fuck, I don't know how long the pasta goes in for. Hey, that's my pimp daddy.
Fucking deal, double G, Snoop Dogg. Fucking fix that posture. Deb. Deb.
Welcome back to my cooking channel.
Welcome back. Choose your fighter.
If you ever wonder how to test if a noodle is done, simply throw it at.
Done. Then you grab it.
Ooh, I don't know last time I cleaned those, Kevin. Drain the noodles. Oh my god. Sometimes we don't even know if it be done, but you gotta deal with it. On the cutting board.
Babe, those smell amazing.
Hopefully the milk's not expired. In the pan with the leftover chicken juice and shit, bitch, we're gonna make the sauce. We have heavy whipping cream in there.
Yeah.
Can you smell it and see if it smells good?
Like cheese.
What's the due date?
August 26th.
That smells like cheese. It's weird. Hey, while your butter and cream cheese is melting, I didn't have fucking enough cream cheese, so we're just gonna have to cross our fingers. Add the milk slowly. Slowly.
Scrape all them bits up.
Once you added the milk, now's your time to add your Parmesan, bitch. Use the real Parmesan. But actually, the fake Parmesan, you know, like the green lid one, and this, a combination of both, phenomenal. So good.
And drop. Parmesan.
But we have, no, it's okay. You don't see anything.
Would you eat steak if we like bought like Wagyu?
Oh yeah. Oh
So
yeah.
maybe for like a
So-
future video, we should do cooking Wagyu steak. or
Dude, I
something
mean, I'm so down.
while we're high.
Ooh, yeah. This looks sus, I know. A chef always tastes their creations, so I gotta taste the sauce. Oh my god, bitch. We're fucking fired. I'm just letting the sauce thicken because I didn't have enough cream cheese, so it's not thickening as it normally does. Oh my god, it's so hot. That looks so bomb. Trying to separate them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
Time for plating this bitch. I'm fucking hot, dude. It's so
Dude,
hot. It's like 90 degrees
That's what
outside.
I'm saying.
Yeah, no. There we go.
Dude, that looks so good.
Next, we put the chicken on. Like this. Boom. Everyone's gonna be mad at extra sauce, bitch. That looks so good. Hey, this is our final fucking pasta, bitch. Look at this shit.
Go. Babe, there's a hair on mine.
Nah.
Oh, let's go. Babe.
Like how there's a football on my fucking counter. Let's try it.
I don't got chicken. Yes. Bitch.
Dude.
Wait, that sauce is so creamy. Better than Olive Garden. Better than Olive Garden
Let's try
chicken
it now.
Alfredo.
Do I shit on my face? Probably do. That fucking fettuccine alfredo is so good. The recipe will be in my foods highlight on my Instagram, and literally follow it. If you make it, please like send me a video or tag me or anything. I want to see. I want to know your reactions. Let me know what you think of it. This is the end of our get high and cook with us video. If you guys want to see this as a series, let us know. And then also, if you do, let us know what you want us to make, because we love food. We'll literally eat anything. Make sure you're following me on all my socials. I'll have them linked in the description. And then make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. That's insane, because my goal literally for so long was 100. And the fact I'm at 400 is insane to me. But we are almost to 500, so.
Hey, this is
Something
so
went wrong. Please try again.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed. We love you so much. Bye.